Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with illuminated star in the grille, brushed aluminum running boards, split twin 5-spoke alloy wheels, a black MB-Tex interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, sunroof, third row seating, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view camera and sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLS has 17,942 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.